How could you block websites on the Android phone using the Chrome? So let me explain how it works. And if it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get started. So of course, we don't really have any blocking available directly inside of the Chrome. But what we can do and get is an app called Family Link. And this is what it looks like. And this is an app which works for parental controls. So the way that it kind of functions is that you have one main Google account which controls another one, right? So usually for parents which control their kids' phones. And the way that it kind of works is that you set up the accounts, right? You go and make sure you are signed in with the proper one and control the one you want to. And below you have plenty of things which you can change the restrictions of. One of them is of course Google Chrome. So you're going to get there and make sure you click on blocked sites and add any website you want to block from being accessed on that device. So if that's the thing that you want to do, just click on add site, type in the URL, and that's how it's going to work. Outside of that, you also have the Google search, and you can enable the safe search. You can filter, blur, or turn it off, right? So that's how it works. And yeah, that's essentially all that you can do about it. So this is the quickest and most convenient way to control the websites and block certain ones from being accessed. So I hope that I was able to guide you through it, and let me know your thoughts and opinions about it below. But I'll see you later in the future uploads.